Hi everyone, I am Shamira Ganinay Tatoy, and for today's video, we're going to discuss intellectual disabilities and how they affect certain individuals. But let us first acknowledge and recognize how our brain is really important and plays a significant role in forming our human body. Did you know that our brain is the most important part of our body? Everything we do is controlled by our brain, which also gives us the ability to remember things, move, feel emotions, and of course, regulates every part or every aspect of our bodies. So basically, some individuals born with brains that make it easier to do certain tasks while making it harder to do other tasks as well. And intellectual disability is an example of a different brain which we are going to discuss right now. And now, let's proceed to differentiate the two terms. Intellectual refers to the process of thinking and learning, and a disability is an impairment or challenge that makes achieving goals in life more difficult. So intellectual disabilities makes it harder to learn and understand certain things. Intellectual disabilities are one of the most common brain differences people can be born with. It usually manifests at birth, and negativity is involved in the trajectory of a child's physical, intellectual, and emotional development. In addition, approximately 3 out of 100 people have an intellectual disability. So in 2010, 6.25 million have, or almost 3% of the population had an ID according to the United States Census. And it is typically inherited or caused on by a complication during pregnancy or birth. Furthermore, intellectual disability is characterized by significant limitations in both intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior, which cover many social and practical skills. So, intellectual functioning, or also called intelligence, refers to the general mental capacity of a human, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, or even making a decision. And one way to solve mental functioning is an IQ test. The average IQ is 100, and if the person scores 70 or below, then he or she is considered intellectually disabled. And adaptive behavior is the collection of conceptual, social, and practical skills that are learned and performed by people. So, conceptual skills includes reading, writing, and counting, while social skills are also known as interpersonal skills, which include following social custom and obeying the law. And lastly, the practical skills. It encompasses the day-to-day activities such as self-care, household management, utilizing community resources, and so forth. And that's the short comparison between the intellectual functioning and the adaptive behavior. And it is very important that we are all aware of the diversity of all people so we can give a correct and right approach in collaborating with them. And it is also very essential as well to always be kind and be gentle to every human despite the adversity, because at the end of the day, we all have the right and a freedom to live in peace. So be knowledgeable enough to deal with unique people. So that would be all, and thank you.